Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. And I'm very grateful that you subscribe to my channel. If you just stopped by my channel, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Crafting from My Sleigh, which is hosted by Kiki DIYs and co-hosted by Krafty Leeny. If you haven't been already, I would recommend to watch their channels. They're amazing creators, and I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box and also the playlist of all the participants. This challenge is all about something that you have to pick up from your stash or your sleigh, because this is a Christmas project. So, and you have to make a project out of it. So the things that I'm going to use for this project is this silver plastic spoons, which I got from Dollar Tree, and one of the construction paper. And the rest everything is like my glue gun, glue sticks, and scissors and finger protectors. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of the project. I used construction paper. I folded it into a conical shape, and I stuck one of the metallic tablecloth, which is iridescent, and I stuck some of the silver metallic forks as a Christmas tree, and I stuck one of the silver ribbon around it, just like to give a garland effect. And I stuck one of the snowflake from the LED lights, and this is the two of the chenille stem, the silver one. I made a bow, so I want to keep everything silver, so I didn't use any other color. So this is how I want to decorate this Christmas tree, and I laid few of the gifts in front. Those are silver as well. So yeah, so this is how I want to decorate this project, and I thoroughly enjoyed doing this project. I hope you also enjoyed watching along with me, working along with me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.